what if we want to pull our changes? Let's say we create a new file. Let's say that I name my file as readme.md. So this is the name of the file, and I will write this is a test project. And I will go over here and I will click on commit new file. So I have added a new file into my project. You can see this readme.md is coming over here. I have added a new file into my project, but I added it using GitHub only. But this file is not present on my system, right? What do I do if I need to bring this file into my system? So in that case, I will write a command called git pull. So I will write git and then I will write pull. If I press enter, you will see that that file will come to my system. And exactly now it is currently present on my system. So this readme.md contains, this is a test project, which is exactly what we were looking for. So the pull command, or should I say the pull terminology, or should I say that pull is a phenomenon where we are trying to bring the code from GitHub or Mercurial or Bitbucket or Azure DevOps, whatever version control system that we're using, from those origins to our own system. That is what it means. So let us say that there are two people programming on the same project. The one person is you and the other person is, let's say, your friend. So if your friend is pushing something to the GitHub, and if you want to read those changes, you can pull the changes into your own machine. So you can just write git pull, and then you can just press enter, and then all of the changes which he has created or she has created on their system and have pushed to GitHub will come to your system as well, as long as you both are using the same repository. So that is what it means. Now let's say that because over here we created a new repository by ourselves, but what if you want to use somebody's already created repository? So let's say that you want to make use of this repository which I have created over here. Then in that case, what should you do? So it is simple. You can just click on this code button over here. As soon as you click on this code button, you will get this link, which is the same link which we had added over here. Where is it? It should be over here. Yeah, it is the same link which we have added over here. So if you want to use this repository, go to that location where you want to bring this repository into your system and just write git, then write clone, and then paste that URL. So paste this URL. So let me just do this on some different place on my system. I will write it over here. I will write git, then I will write clone, then I will write this URL, not this one. If I press enter, then you can see that this particular thing will come to my system. So now that I have created it, now let's go ahead and see where it was created. So if I go to my documents, you will see that file has been created. So I'll go to my C drive, users, then I will go to my name, and then over here, I should be able to see that file. It is present over here. That is test project. So if I go to C drive and if I go to users and if I go to Shant, that is my name. And then you can see test project is coming over here. So this is where my project was cloned into my system. Okay. So this is how we can use the same file which we have created over there on our GitHub and use it on our own system. So this is very much possible. So this was about git clone. So this was all for this video.